Hey everybody, it's Albert Flynn DeSilver here, author of Writing as a Path to Awakening from Sounds True, the memoir Beamish Boy. And if you don't know me, I help writers go from procrastination, confusion, frustration to clarity, confidence, and completion. And I'm so happy that you are joining me today because I wanted to talk about optimal writing mind. How to get ourselves in that framework of mind, that frame of mind that optimizes our creative writing experience and effectiveness. And the very first thing is mindfulness, being in a state of silence and stillness, entering into what I call the field of possibility or the creative field. It's about letting go and letting in, reconnecting to that field. This is the generative space of awareness that we can reconnect to, that is really the origin point for all our brilliant ideas and insights. So it really, optimal writing mind begins with attention to silence and stillness, and just creating that space for you on a regular basis. And we do a meditation class every Wednesday, every single week, and we're there. No writing happens. It's simply stillness, silence, and a little bit of discussion and Q&A and stuff. But it's a really great opportunity to connect in with that deeper mind. So the second thing is to optimize your writing mind is visioning and intending. So visualizing, what do you want for your writing? What is your purpose around your writing? But really, what do you want? What's the goal here? So bringing to mind that intentionality for completion, that intentionality for clarity, for confidence, for moving forward with the ideas that really fit your goals for the writing. The third thing is positive affirmation. Just reciting to yourself these positive intentions around the writing. So, it's even just kind of this self-talk, positive self-talk. I have a creative mind. I am a creative genius. We do this exercise on retreat. Back in the day, when we did live retreats, we would do an exercise where we really remind ourselves of our creative potentiality and our creative geniusness. And I don't use that word lightly because in my experience, we are creative geniuses. That's our base natural state. And many of us get kind of knocked into the bushes, off the path, and we lose touch with our creative geniusness, our creative potentiality. And it's really just a question of perception and a question of commitment. So the fourth thing is cultivating curiosity. This is another aspect of optimal writing mind, is cultivating that mind of curiosity. And this brings us into that state of wondering what is possible for us in writing, what is possible for us in our creative, where is our mind drawn? What are we curious about? What are the subjects that bring us energy and ideas and motivation? That's where we need to go and to trust our intuition around this stuff. And so that's how we can really begin to gain momentum. And this is one of the aspects of cultivating our optimal writing mind. Now, the next thing, of course, is taking specific action steps. Once we cultivate that optimal writing mind, we connect with mindfulness, with stillness, and with silence. We vision what we want for our writing. We affirm over and over again with positive affirmations that we can do this, that we have the capacity, the inspiration, the possibility. And then we cultivate this curiosity. We reconnect with reading that inspires us, that motivates us, that gives us energy and this sense of insight. And then we have to take action. We have to carve out that time And remember, time is not something that you have or you don't have. Time is something that you create, which I speak to in another video. But I really wanted to support you in your writing and help you take those action steps and to cultivate optimal writing mind. You can join us every Wednesday. We have free classes. You can try them for free. They're not always free for eternity, but they're free to try out. Every Wednesday, we have a terrific meditation class specifically for writers. And then every Friday, we meet and we write together. And some people are working on book projects and writing into their ideas. Some people are journaling, and you can take those prompts and run with them as you see fit. And if you'd like to learn more, please go to albertflynndesilver.com. And till next time, live well, love well, and write well.